Construction of Hadaram Port. The port is located in Ashdod, about 40 kilometers south of Tel Aviv, Israel. The major expansion work of the Hadaram port includes setting up of major construction sites, including staging area, staging harbor and access road, etc. Main breakwater extension, 600 meters. Lee breakwater, 1,480 meters. Removal of IEC breakwaters. Temporary retaining structure, 770 meters. Quay 27, 800 meters. And Quay 28, 443 meters. Dredging and reclamation. Soil improvement. Pavement and utilities. Primary BOQ for this project shall be milestones. Total construction period for this project is 93 months. The estimated commencement date is July 1st, 2014. Summary of major milestones. Construction organization. 1. Personnel. 91 administration personnel, 546 site construction personnel, and 170 ship crew will be designated during the peak construction period. The total will be 774. 2. Primary construction equipments, dredging and reclamation equipments. 9,000 cubic meter hopper trailer suction dredger, 18 cubic meter grab dredger, 1,000 cubic meter hopper barge. Quay and breakwater equipments. Jack-up platform, 250 ton and 150 ton. 10,000-ton semi-submersible barge for caisson prefabrication. 800-ton floating crane for caisson installation. 1,700-ton hopper barge for 0 to 1 ton rip wrapping. 150-ton full rotation for installation of antifer cubes. 4,000-ton, 2,000-ton, 1,000-ton flat barge for offshore stone column and rip wrapping. 3,600 horsepower, 2,400 horsepower, 1,500 horsepower tugboat. 800 horsepower anchor boat. 3. Main materials. Rocks will be obtained from 3 local areas: Adora Quarry, Asherat North Quarry, Asherat South Quarry. Supplementary supply of rocks from Turkey, Cyprus, and Romania have also been considered. Steel sheet piles and tie rods will be procured from international providers. Introduction of primary construction method adopted. 1. Staging area and access road. The staging area is located behind the existing IEC power plant with a total area of 130,000 square meters. This area shall be used for the construction and establishment of stacking area for rocks, prefabrication area, office complex. 2 access roads shall be constructed in the staging area to connect the staging harbor and the Lee breakwater. 2. Staging harbor construction. Construction process for quay. Piling of composite sheet pile in front row. Hydraulic reclamation of sand and piling of anchor piles. Installation of tie rods. Hydraulic reclamation and tensioning of tie rods. Completion of hydraulic reclamation. Vibro compaction and final compacted elevation shall be plus 2.5 meters. Construction process for composite sheet pile. Piling of guide pile. Installation of guide frame. Initial piling of H sheet piles. Initial piling of AZ sheet piles. Removal of guide frame and secondary piling of H sheet piles by using hydraulic hammer and AZ sheet piles by vibrating hammer, respectively. Move guide frame forward for the next construction circle. 3. Dredging and reclamation. Scope of construction for dredging and reclamation. Dredging. Beneath main breakwater extension. Beneath the new Lee breakwater. below the Quay 28 caissons. North Channel, South Channel, container berths of Quay 27. The harbor, reclamation, staging harbor, container terminal, dredging and reclamation method. Harbor area and channel shall be dredged with trailer suction barge, TSHD. Grab dredger shall be used for quay area and breakwaters. Reclamation shall be conducted mainly with trailer suction dredger. Main breakwater extension. Removal of the end of old main breakwater. Demolition of antifer cubes using floating crane. Floating crane with hydraulic grab shall be used to remove quarry run core. Offshore stone column. Vibration immersed tube method shall be used in the process. Rip wrapping, 0 to 1 ton stones. Hopper barge shall be used below -5 meters. Excavator shall be placed on flat barge for construction above -5 meters. 1 to 3 ton and 3 to 6 ton stones. Crane equipped with hydraulic grab shall be utilized in the construction process. Installation of antifer cubes. Caterpillar crane on top of embankment shall be used in combination with floating crane in this process. Lee breakwater construction. Offshore rip wrapping and landfill shall be combined in this process. Offshore rip wrapping shall be the same as for main breakwater, while bulldozers shall be used in landfill process and push material from land to the seaside. Underwater survey method. DGPS system will be used on board of survey boat together with single beam echo sounder, multi-beam echo sounders, side scan sonar, and magnometer. Quays construction. TRS-27. The shore connecting section shall be constructed from land. The double row section and deep water section shall be constructed from water. Q-27. Construction process for quay construction. Offshore piling of front row piles. First reclamation with 2 meters. Piling of anchoring pile over water. Second reclamation with another 2 to 3 meters. Installation of temporary support for tie rod over water. Installation of tie rods and initial tensioning. Third reclamation to plus 0.0 meters and elevation difference between layers on both sides of anchor pile shall not exceed 3 meters. Extraction of temporary support for tie rod and casting of concrete behind piles. Second tensioning of tie rods and backfilling to plus 0.5 meters. Compaction equipment shall be placed on temporary construction platform to prevent damage to the tie rods and final tensioning of tie rods. Construction of board piles, temporary backfilling of construction area to plus 2.5 meters. Construction of parapet and rail beam and backfilling to bottom elevation of pavement layer. Installation of ancillary facilities and construction of pavement layer. Q-28. Caisson construction. Caissons shall be prefabricated on semi-submersible barge. Caissons shall be stored temporarily in area designated by the employer. Caisson installation. Tugboat shall be used to move caisson to construction site. An 800-ton floating crane shall be used in installation. Quay structure. Pile foundation construction. Jack-up platform shall be utilized. Rip wrapping between piles. Excavator shall be used for 0 to 1 ton stones. Gantry crane shall be used for installation of 1 to 3 ton, 3 to 6 ton stones and installation of 4 cubic meter antifer cubes. Installation of precast beam slabs. Installation shall be completed using 150-ton crane and floating crane. Cast in situ pavement layer and installation of ancillary facilities. Soil improvement. Vibro compaction. Sand fill shall be subjected to vibro compaction using vibroflot. Construction of wick drain. Wick drain inserting machine shall be used in area D and E. Surcharge. Surcharge shall be applied by placing of 0.5 meter layers to the design elevation of plus 5.0 meters. Compaction in layers. Foundation shall be excavated to plus 0.5 meters before it is backfilled in layers and compacted to plus 1.2 meters. Quality, safety, and environmental management. Requirements as stated in the technical specifications and in relevant contract documents provided by the employer will be executed to ensure the quality, safety, and environmental requirement of the project. We will complete this project elaborately with strict management, high efficiency, and high quality, thus creating the maximal value for the employer.